Now, if I keep on screwing, you can see what's happening here. You can see that the words are staying there. So you want to hold it here, and you want to make sure you screw it here, because if you screw it here, this is moving, and brand new, just came right out. I kid you not. It still feels like winter here, and it's supposed to be warm as can be. We got here is from Laurent. It is a 3M selfie stick. And if you take a nice close-up look, and I'm filming with the extra family, the extra muse, that will do a nice job in the product showcase. Can you see the words Brave Heart on the box? Well, I am going to open it up and do this review for you because you do want to stay tuned and hear what I have to say to the very end of the video. I do things in such a way that it gets the point across. You have to make the decision for you. I'm not young anymore. And it does come with this little, whatever you want to call that. It's an inspection thing. And you need to get out your selfie stick. Oh yeah, I opened this up already. A piece of foam and your selfie stick, just like that. Be careful when you pull it out because it does come with a case cover and a blue one on the bottom. Just to show you in there. But please, don't forget the instruction guide that's inside. It was kind of hard to see. And this is the first time I'm seeing the instruction guide there. I'm going to read it to see if it has any important information, if I just made a mistake or not. 300 grams for the extra sphere. Don't weigh over 300 grams. You got a cap that you simply remove and you simply line up and screw on. Now, if I keep on screwing, you can see what's happening here. You can see that the words are staying there. So you want to hold it here, and you want to make sure you screw it here, because if you screw it here, this is moving, and brand new, just came right out. If you can do that, and you can see the glue, oh boy, back to the review. No, boys and girls, I didn't make that up at all. This is brand new. I'm going to pull out the first pole. That wasn't hard. I'm going to pull out the second pole. That wasn't hard. I'm going to pull out the third pole. Wasn't hard. I'm going to pull out the fourth pole. Not that hard. I'm going to pull out the fifth pole. Not that hard. I'm going to pull out the sixth pole. Not that hard. I'm going to start to pull out the seventh and the eighth pole. This was harder. This was easier. And I'm going to pull out the last pole. That is pretty hard. I'm going to shake, rattle, and roll. I feel some little play right here, meaning that this here is going to bend. It's going to flex, but it is kind of solid. I am pretty happy with it. The stick does a nice job. It's not easy to close over here. It is just rock solid to close. And I'm doing my best to close the stick. And I'm going to close it like this. Now I'm going to try my best to close it. Woo! This goes further in. All the way in. It goes all the way down. That's it. This bad boy being packed up. And you'll decide if this stick from Braveheart may be something you want. A little bit of glue, put epoxy on it, and that'll cure it for all. But it is a Braveheart stick, and before I get going, I have sticks from, you got it, Insta360. I just put a little yellow one so I could be my own little 360 person. And I will trust this with my camera on it, screwing down like so. I could pull it as strong as I want, and I could do that viral video that person takes the camera and swings it out. I can never get it to go out like that. And this selfie stick's been with me for quite some time, and it does got some play. It will wobble over there. Why don't they make sticks here where it starts off this thick and works its way down a little thicker? Well, I got another one that's from Insta360. It's a real compact one, and it's 36 inches, screws on, does a good job. I just don't love short sticks anymore, but this is a stick, easy to use. Now, I got my own personal one that Sis gave to me. It's got an octagon shape that screws on, right? And it's pretty good. It opens up to almost 6 feet. And you can see the fun I'm having pulling it. And it's made of metal, not carbon fiber. This is a little hard over here, but there it is. And I'll back up some. And it's got some play over here, meaning that it will flex on the head. But that's all the norm of these sticks. It's a little thicker, an octagon shape. I like to keep this one as hard to push in down to 2. And I use my stick like so. That's how I use the stick. All right, post down below, people, what you like about your selfie stick. If it's an inexpensive one, well, let me push this down for you, show you how easy it is to go in. Which one do you like best to use for your camera? I think I am getting an Insta360 ordered. Going to trust that one over the other companies, and of course a little bit more than what I paid for this one. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Enjoy your extra sphere. Make sure you use a proper selfie stick that doesn't come apart. Always check that tip before you put it on. Have a great day, everybody.